Alright, are you recording? Mm-hmm. Welcome to season 2 of Get Fit with Clark. Another good exercise that you can do is called jumping jacks. So the way you do a jumping jack, you want to start your feet about shoulder width apart, knees bent a little bit. The action is your feet are going to go out and your arms are going to go up at the same time. And then you're going to bounce again and they're going to come back. So it looks like this. If you're a biggin, you might want to start on some place that has sturdy ground. This isn't something you want to be doing on your friend's deck that they just built, unless they're like a general contractor. Wore the right bra this time.